How to recover hacked Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Chrome browser on your device, you can go for any browser that you have on your device and then search for Facebook account support chat. So as you search for it, you'll be able to see different options over here. So tap on the Facebook Help Center that pops up very first. Here, all you need to do over here is just tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Managing Your Account option. As you do that, tap on Login and Password and then tap on the third option over here, which is Fix a Login Problem. As you tap on it, you can just scroll down and you can see login help and password help. Scroll down and you can see this option of recover your Facebook account if you cannot access your account email address of mobile phone number. So tap on it and here you can see the options to reset your password, and if you suspect your account was hacked, visit this particular link on a device you have used to log into Facebook before. So you can just tap on the link over here and you can just share what is happening over here, and then you'll be able to just continue chatting with this Facebook support team. So let's just go over here and then tap on continue and let's tap on get started. So it will start checking your address and all the information that you have provided to the Facebook over here. So it will start checking and verifying the whole information that is available in your device over here. So it will secure your account by checking if you have your account being hacked or something like that. So it's just checking all of your information like your logins, your comments, your page access, your date of birth and informations that you have mentioned. So you can just tap on continue, and after doing that you can just check your password and get satisfied. If not, you can just scroll down over here and tap on this option of was this helpful. So just tap on no and then tap on the solution does not work and just tap on tell us more box and mention that your account has been hacked and I want to get it recovered. So as you submit this link over here or this message over here by tapping on submit, then the team of Facebook support will definitely contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.